Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun. How are y'all doing today? My name is Debbie. Everybody calls me Cajun. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun on YouTube. And I have a review for y'all. I have a PR package from One Day Saving. And I wanted to show y'all what I got. So, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's good. Y'all probably seen me in the same shirt. But I'm filming back to back, so please forgive me. This is from One Day Saving. Thank you, One Day Saving, for sending me these paintings for review for y'all. And I also have this. I have a multi-placer of 4 stainless steel multi-placer of 4 drill. I didn't have one, and it's really thin, y'all. If y'all could see that, look how cool. Cool it is. Thank God it don't break. There's my camera. Okay, maybe it's too close, but it's a 4-placer, as y'all could see, and I'm gonna hold it this way as well. So it is a 4-placer, and it is pretty thin, y'all. So I think I'm gonna like this one better, because the plastic ones keep, you know, they wear out and everything. But I really like this one because it's thin. I love the thin ones. This is the first stainless steel 4-placer that I have had. I have had a 6-placer or 7-placer or whatever, 10-placer, but I've never had a 4-placer. So I decided I wanted to try it out. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works, and I'll get back to y'all on how it works. I'm thinking it's gonna be fine because look how thin. If y'all could see that, I hope y'all could see that. I think this is gonna work out well. So that's the first thing I got from them. And I have 2 diamond paintings, and I'm gonna open the first one. And everything in this video is gonna be linked in the description portion of this video. And I also have a coupon code I'm gonna put in for y'all to use on your purchase, okay? So y'all don't forget to check that out in the description portion as well. I'm gonna have a link to their store and all of that good stuff. If I can open this, I'll show y'all. Good God. Okay, enough already. Y'all. All right. And this is a 40 by 30, and it comes with a kit. Everything you need to diamond paint. It comes with a pen, a wax, and a boat. Everything you need is right here in this package. All you need to diamond paint. It comes with the drills. This is a round drill, and I'm gonna show y'all those in a second. So this is the painting. It's a 30 by 40, and it's some puppies. Look, the puppies. I find this one's a little pixelated, but we're gonna see after it's worked on. We're gonna see how it turns out. But I do find it pixelated, especially here and their faces. I think it could be better, but it may work up different, but it's okay. It's gonna be all right. I don't know what that is because I can't really tell, but maybe once it's worked up, it'll look better, you know, because if I put it in close, you could see the pixelation a lot. It's really pixelated to me, but it's still cute. I love it. I'm gonna work on it in the future, and we shall see. This canvas is pretty soft. It's not real stiff like the others. The stick on it, the stick is good, obviously. The drill field is clear. It has schematics on the left top and bottom right, and they do not have DMC codes on this one. It is strictly just numbers and stuff. There's no DMC codes on this one, so we don't have anything to match up with. But it is cute. we shall see. They don't have too much confetti, but it's just, I don't like the little dot, the circles like that. But it's clear, you know, the symbols you're not going to have any problems with because it's straightforward. This is a round drill. The drills look good as usual. I never have problems with these drills. These come in the little baggies, in the little bags, not the little zip bags, just the little regular bags, as y'all could tell. I'm gonna show y'all the side cut, the colors, if y'all can see them from the side. So yeah, that's the first one. Now we're gonna go on to the second one. I hope the second one's not pixelated. As pixelated. Or it just looks weird, I don't know, to me. Okay, well, let's see. I need my scissors because y'all know I can never find into these things ever. So we're gonna improvise. We're gonna use scissors this time. All right. So this one also this is a round as well, 30 by 40, and it also comes with a boat, a pin, and a plate of wax. Comes with the one placer. It's just a basic kit, but that's all you need to diamond paint is a basic kit. Oh, these come in the little bitty tiny bags, and it is a round drill. Look at them drills. So that's the color palette for this painting. But now I'm going to show y'all the painting. And like I said, this is a 30 by 40 centimeter. The drill field is clear. I like this one a lot. Look how cute this is, y'all. Oh my gosh. I don't know how well the words on these signs will come out, but it's still cute. I love it. Look how cute. It's got a nice beach scenery. The drill field is clear. I mean, look at those symbols. Y'all, look how cute. This is so, so cute. I love this one, and I'm gonna let y'all know the stick is good. I can feel it. Stick is good. There is schematics on the left upper and the right lower, as usual. That's usually how it is. Let me flatten this out a little bit. So cute, y'all. It just says the different, I don't know actually what it says, to be honest, but it's still cute, and I liked it, so I got it. It has a little van with some trees and a surfboard leaning up against the van. I really like it. The sand, the sky, the palm trees. Loved it. I really loved it. Really, really loved it. So, and this is the color palette for these little bitty drills. These little bitty packs of drills. Okay, I'm not going to undo them, but this is the color palette for them. Love it. And like I said, this is a 30 by 40 centimeter. They do have the, this one does have the DMC codes on the side of it. So they have a legend here at the top left and a legend here at the bottom right. And they do have the DMC codes, and they don't have, this one is does not have a lot of confetti. It's pretty, I mean, it's not a lot of color blocking and not a lot of confetti. I would say it's mixed. So Like I really like it. I really like this one. This is a good summer one. I love it. The colors are cute. Nice palette, color palette. So that's gonna wrap it up for these items. Again, I'm gonna show y'all this one. And then this one. It looks good in the camera from far, but from up close, it's a lot. It's very, I don't know. We're gonna see how it works up in the future. So those are the two I purchased. That were sent me. Sorry, those are the two that were sent to me. And thank you again, One Day Saving, for sending me these to review. And thank y'all for watching. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Please consider hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button. And until next time, bye.